Fly zone, you're allowed to fly here. CAA, you don't control the airspace.
You're near a building now.
Doesn't matter.
It is according to the laws in Scotland and the drones. You shouldn't be.
When did this change last night or something?
I don't know.
Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we're at Maritime Transport Limited in Motherwell, McNeil Drive, ML1 4UR. So apparently these lorries come, and if you can see in the background, I'm sure they go into the railway, but we'll need to get chopper up before I can see better. So the lorries go in with containers and coming back out with containers. So let's see what Maritime do. So Maritime Transport is the largest private owned intermodal, I think that says, road stroke rail logistics operator in the UK, established in its current form in 2001 under the leadership of owner executive chairman John Williams. The company has grown from a small beginnings to a 500 million takeover, and it's got 3,000 skilled permanent employees. Operates a fleet of 1,600 Euro 6 trucks and 50 plus of the latest advanced container handlers. So I noticed in the last of the comments that people were talking about my accent. Unfortunately, I've grew up in the west of Scotland and this is the way we speak. I will try and speak a bit more proper, but the slang words will keep coming out, and I'll try and talk a wee bit slower because people say I was talking too fast. And if you hit the subtitle button, it's a bit of a joke. Sometimes it says things like chicken and horse when I'm saying something totally different about a business. So let's go and have a wee nosy and see what Maritime is all about. So we can't really see much for here. It's the containers. Then the lorry's coming back out. There's a wee, oh, I can't see it, maybe coming up that way. You can see the crane in the background which loads the containers onto, I think, the railway. So we'll take a wee walk on and see. All visitors, please report to reception. And the reception is, I think it's up here. Please keep this door locked at all times. That's the reception here. No, door locked. Door locked. Hi there, I'm just going to fly a wee drone up and just video what you're doing from outside the site.
You don't need permission for that.
You don't need permission to do it? I'm just like, it's courtesy to tell you so you don't wonder why there's a drone videoing.
I wouldn't imagine you'd be allowed to drone it.
How come?
Just wouldn't imagine.
You don't own the airspace.
Alright then.
I'm not going to go over your railway because that is a yellow zone, but it's just hazard. I'm just going to basically fly about this site and just, because it's quite interesting what he's doing, you know what I mean? Then I can promote it on social media as well. Alright, right, thanks. Everybody seems to think they need permission. I wouldn't be surprised if they end up phoning the police, but what we'll do is we'll get chopper up, we'll make sure we're well outside the site because it's a busy place. We'll take over for this bit of ground over here. As you can see, it's council, well, it's part of the Eurocentral lamppost and that, so they don't own this bit. So we'll get the drone up and we'll see what they're doing. So we'll get chopper up in the sky. Make sure he's recording. And up he goes. Alright, we'll put his speed up a wee bit. Up he goes. A wee bit higher so we're not disturbing them. So it's Tesco seems to be the main company that's got the freight here. Just watch how this container's where it's going, where it's loading. That will fly along a wee bit. A wee bit higher because I like that. So they must load the containers onto the railway line straight onto it there. So it's mostly Tesco containers about. Let's watch this one. See how he loads it on. Chopper still well on my line of sight. I'm not even flying towards the railway line because that is a yellow zone, so I'll just stay this side of the railway. There you go, as simple as that. Quite a quick way to be distributing your products. So we'll fly back a bit. Basically Chopper's at the board line with the fence, he's not even on it to start complaining. There's another one over here where Tesco's one. It'd be good if they were loading onto the railway. In fact, there's that trailers for the railway there. So we'll watch this one when it's going. Just fly a wee bit closer. There's another machine there. Didn't even see that one. So there's 3 of them loading their trailers. Where do the lorries go to go through? Because they're leaving with a trailer. The lorry in front of me now, like it's parked up. Careful, these don't hit each other. Is that going to load on the railway? Yes, we're going to see one get loaded on the railway. There you go, so if you ever see these containers going by on the railway, this is how they're loaded. Oh, wee bit of care, make sure it's properly on. There you go, as simple as that. 9 out of 10, just for the wee bit of stall. No, there's another one getting loaded. Fly over quickly. I'm going to try and get a better view of this one for side on. Oh, he's taking that off. Or is it? Let's take him in the corner again. As we're going down for the railway line. You saw the test containers in the background as well. Quite a good setup.
Alright, mate.
How you doing?
You get permission to fly over the property?
You don't need permission, pal. Wait till I can bring him back.
You don't need permission for him?
No, you're not in the no fly zone. You're allowed to fly here. CAA, you don't control the airspace.
You're near a building now.
Doesn't matter.
It is according to the laws in Scotland and the drones. You shouldn't be.
When did this change last night or something?
I don't know. That's what the internet's saying, but you don't mind.
No, that's what law did you check? Did you check a drone or check?
There's many different laws.
Depends on the weight of the drone. The drone's 249 grams.
Right, okay.
There's other 250, so you can fly a commercial and fly over houses. As long as you're not following the folks' back gardens.
Fly over to the private property and over the British Railway.
Aye, you can fly over. To be honest with you, pal, I'm actually saying good things about your railway setup by going to some self.
How close are you supposed to be to the railway lines?
It's only yellow. There's a yellow hazard to fly with care. But that was the railway line. I wasn't actually on the railway line. Could I bring the drone down? So there's a good setup you've got here. Loading straight on the railway line.
No, no worries, but you know.
You can check under a drone with 249, under 250 grams.
If you're coming into, you know, private property, company property and railway lines and that, should you not be asking for permission first to fly over the...
If I turn and ask for permission, you can't, I mean, it's not so much your business, but turn up other businesses, they would make sure everything's all nice and tidy and everything. It's, we turn up other businesses and we catch folk out, kind of like their place is a total mess, alluding to health and safety and things like that.
It's not a case of that, it's just, you know...
No, that's just an interesting thing.
Nice to be nice thing, you know?
Nice to be nice, but folk would end up just saying no all the time, you know what I mean?
Well,
that's one of these things. I know, but it's a law, pal, you know what I mean? That's what it is. You're allowed to do it, you know what I mean?
Right, okay.
Alright, cheers, pal. I said all the good things about it. I was just saying, look, it's impressive you load on the railway line and all that stuff. None bad.
Right.
Alright, pal. Alright, cheers. So, as you usually say, I don't think you can film on private property. But the two of them are coming out, they're probably in the front of the police now. But they didn't tell me, so I won't be hanging about. So that's for Maritime in Motherwell, stroke Eurocentral. And saying the manager was just obviously curious, what she should be if you don't know the rules. But he's obviously googled the drone rule once you get to out, and he's been looking at the drone rule for a drone as in heavier than 250 grams, which you're more restricted to it. Same as if it was a business, you couldn't fly. But that's all for Maritime on Motherwell. As I said, already said, if you like this video, please like. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And thanks again for all the comments. I read everyone. I'm saying some are negative, talking about I speak too quick, which I'll probably start doing again. I need to try and drill that in my head to try and speak slower and not as slang. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next one. Cheers.